moving northeast at 45 miles.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Barry County in southwest Michigan, northwestern Calhoun County in south central Michigan, northeastern Kalamazoo County in southwest Michigan, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Richland and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Richland, Nashville, Augusta, Bedford, Morgan, Assyria, Banfield, Hickory Corners, Lacey, Dowling, Highland Park, Gull Lake, Yorkville, Maple Grove, Cedar Creek. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying objects. The following is a summary of watches, warnings,
another tornado warning.
For the KIG-63 listening area, a severe thunderstorm warning has
Also, 11th EAS today. I'm being serious. This is the 11th EAS today. This has got to be a record. How many EASs have you had in one day? Please post a comment. I'd like to know.